Project management is a crucial element in any company, enabling teams to achieve goals efficiently, meet deadlines, and deliver quality results. But what does effective project management look like in practice, and how can it drive success in your organization? Step 1. Defining the project. The first step in any successful project is clear definition. Before diving into tasks, it's important to establish the project's objectives, scope, and deliverables. Ask key questions like, what is the project trying to achieve? What are the boundaries or constraints? And what is the expected outcome? A well-defined project roadmap will provide direction and help avoid scope creep. Step 2. Planning and organizing. Once the project is defined, it's time to plan. This is where you map out the timeline, assign roles, and allocate resources. Planning ensures that everyone knows their responsibilities and that the right resources are available when needed. Effective planning involves breaking down the project into smaller tasks, setting milestones, and determining realistic deadlines. Tools like Gantt charts or Kanban boards are useful for visualizing the process and tracking progress. Step 3. Execution, bringing the plan to life. Execution is where the real work happens. This phase involves coordinating tasks, managing resources, and ensuring everyone is aligned with the plan. Communication is key to maintaining momentum and addressing any issues that arise. As the project unfolds, it's important to monitor progress closely, track key performance indicators, and adjust resources as needed. Regular check-ins with the team help keep the project on track and resolve challenges early. Step 4. Monitoring and controlling. Monitoring and controlling go hand in hand. Throughout the project managers must continually assess performance against the plan, identify risks, and ensure that any potential roadblocks are addressed before they impact the project's timeline or budget. Tracking budget, resources, and timelines helps ensure the project stays on course. If there are delays or cost overruns, corrective actions must be taken immediately to keep everything in check. Step 5. Closing the project. Once the project objectives are met, it's time to close the project. This phase involves finalizing all deliverables, getting approvals from stakeholders, and handing over the project outcomes. A key part of closing a project is conducting a post-mortem or retrospective meeting where the team reflects on what went well and what could be improved for future projects. This feedback loop is vital for continuous improvement. Conclusion: the power of effective project management. Effective project management is a cornerstone of success in any company. It brings structure, clarity, and focus to complex tasks, ensuring that teams work toward common goals and deliver results efficiently. By mastering the phases of project management, defining, planning, executing, monitoring, and closing, you can help your team stay on track and deliver projects that make a real impact. Project management isn't just about managing timelines, it's about empowering your team to achieve their best work.